potent. The hardest grinding in every fucking room I go in. If you don't think that I'm the greatest ever, I know it. I don't need your validation, bitch, hold it. I leave them purple, red, blue, bruised, totally crushed. The girls that used to hate are begging me to smash in the bus. A throwback chick, I call her Nickelodeon Gus. She take a whole goddamn dick down to the nuts. Now listen, I'm hearing all of y'all are fucking up. I've done enough to earn respect from legends, bitch. The takeover has just begun. See, I've been training under Vader like Ahsoka Tano. Now I'm the boss and I'ma run it like Tony Soprano. I'm taking shots at all these rappers, fuck it, leave the bottle. I'm an autopilot, driving logic, call me Aristotle. It's full throttle in this bitch, all gas, no brakes. More dangerous than filling vacancies with Norman Bates. Now popular amongst the mainstream kids, cause they ain't used to hearing rappers who could go like this. I channel different personalities and flow like Split. A new legacy raised by the demigods, bitch. So y'all rejoice, we taking charge, you're running point. We independent, making noise, your criticism null and void. I'm diagnosed, the dope is dope. I take your shirt and sign it gold. I'm all Stein and every line is goosebumps when I drop it, yo. Man, this is higher than you can get. Gas me up, I'm flying like the pilot, man, I've been lit. There's something between a dream and movie, David Lynch shit. Now in the verse, I'm reloading the ammunition. Yeah, bring it raw back. Where you from, underground, where you at? The whole time, put the city on my back. And it feels like y'all don't get me, but y'all don't want it with me, ayy. It's all cap, you're talking click, clack, boom. Thinking you're the hardest artist in the room, homie, y'all just talk that. But it feels like y'all don't get me and y'all don't want it with me, ayy.
Why y'all be talking weight like some modern day Scarface? I'm loading lasers on a faraway star base. You can rob banks, start a little car chase. I'll be teleporting through deep space and stargates. It's fun to make shit up, right? Y'all fiction writers who get in ciphers and spray the mic with your gingivitis. I injure biters like spiders or venomous vipers and turn the pen to a knife like a lifer that sent the Rikers to set up some bikers. Cause you got a kite that tonight that we strike till they men are lifeless. It's like it's appendicitis. I'm slicing open abdomens, unraveling intestines. Googling some facts on how to start a staph infection. Cause while you in the hospital and all the staff is resting, I'll be sneaking in your room with a wizard staff as a weapon. Spitting out spells, spit flying while I'm speaking. I'm plugging all the tubes till the monitors are beeping. And y'all thought the worst case scenario was bleeding? Till I cast a curse and burst into a demon. And all the nurses are screaming and run to the church deacon. But the words that he's speaking are in reverse and he's shrieking. In a high-pitched frequency that shatters all the windows. The clouds in the sky turn black and the wind blows. And people talk backwards, a crucifix is cracked. So please tell me again what you gonna do to me with rap.
Yeah, bring it all back. Where you from, underground, where you at? The whole time, put the city on my back. And it feels like y'all don't get me, but y'all don't want it with me, ayy. It's all cap, you're talking click, clack, boom. Thinking you're the hardest artist in the room, homie, y'all just talk that. But it feels like y'all don't get me and y'all don't want it with me, ayy.
You are. Oh yeah, you are. Oh yeah, you are.